As we age, our skin changes, becoming drier and less elastic, which often requires extra care and attention. Finding the best lotion for older skin can help rejuvenate and nourish it, keeping it smooth, hydrated, and healthy. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 lotions that are ideal for older skin. Whether you're looking for extra moisture, anti-aging benefits, or overall skin repair, we've got you covered. Let's dive into these amazing products that can help you maintain glowing skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. The Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is specifically formulated to provide deep moisture and promote the healing of dry, rough skin. As a dermatologist-recommended brand, Eucerin has created a product that targets multiple skin concerns, making it an excellent choice for older skin. This lotion is designed to deliver intensive hydration while also improving the overall appearance of your skin. Its formula helps to restore the skin's moisture barrier, ensuring long-lasting hydration without the greasy feel. Key features: Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is packed with a unique blend of ingredients, including ceramides and natural moisturizing factors that help restore and protect the skin's moisture balance. It contains a non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling soft and smooth. Additionally, it is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Its formula is also enriched with a combination of essential oils, which provide nourishment and relief to dry, parched skin. Benefits and usage: this lotion offers deep moisturization and long-lasting hydration, which is essential for older skin that tends to lose moisture over time. The formula repairs the skin's protective barrier and is highly effective at soothing irritated, dry patches. It's ideal for daily use on hands, arms, legs, and other areas that require hydration. Apply liberally to cleansed skin after bathing or showering to lock in moisture and provide all-day hydration. Usability: Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is incredibly easy to use. It has a smooth, lightweight texture that glides on effortlessly without leaving behind any greasy residue. The fast absorption rate makes it ideal for use during busy mornings or before bedtime, without any lingering sticky feeling. The lotion's gentle, fragrance-free nature makes it perfect for sensitive skin or those prone to irritation, allowing for regular use without any discomfort. Durability: when it comes to its durability, Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion excels. Its intense moisturizing properties last for hours, ensuring your skin stays hydrated throughout the day or night. Even after washing your hands or showering, you'll find that the hydration continues to work, keeping your skin soft and nourished. Its long-lasting effects make it a reliable lotion for older skin that needs extra moisture. In the second spot, we have Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream is a unique product designed to provide intense hydration to dry skin. It combines the benefits of a gel and cream in one formulation, making it a lightweight yet highly effective moisturizer. This lotion is particularly great for older skin that needs moisture without feeling heavy or greasy. The gel cream formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which helps the skin retain moisture and maintain a plump, smooth appearance. Key features: the key feature of Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream is its inclusion of hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture into the skin and helps to lock it in. This ingredient is known for its ability to retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it a powerhouse in skin hydration. The lightweight gel cream formula allows for easy absorption without clogging pores, making it suitable for all skin types, including older skin that tends to be more sensitive. The product is also oil-free and fragrance-free, ensuring it doesn't irritate sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream is designed to provide immediate moisture to the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. The hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin and helps to restore its natural moisture balance. It works well for older skin that needs extra moisture without weighing it down. To use, apply a generous amount to clean skin after your usual skincare routine, either in the morning or at night. It's perfect for use under makeup as it provides a smooth base. Usability: the texture of this gel cream is light and refreshing, making it easy to apply and absorb into the skin. Older skin will appreciate the non-greasy finish, which leaves the skin feeling hydrated but not oily. Its smooth texture means that you can layer it with other skincare products without any pilling or irritation. The compact packaging also makes it easy to carry, allowing for hydration on the go whenever you need it. Durability: Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream offers excellent durability. The product provides all-day hydration, keeping your skin feeling moisturized and soft without the need for constant reapplication. Even after a long day, your skin will continue to feel smooth and hydrated, which is ideal for older skin that can sometimes feel dry after hours of wear. With regular use, this product provides long-lasting moisture and helps improve the skin's overall texture. Coming in at number 3 is the Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Lotion. Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Lotion is a powerful anti-aging formula that provides deep nourishment to older skin while you sleep. This product combines retinol, a well-known anti-aging ingredient, with moisturizing properties to hydrate and improve skin texture overnight. It's specifically designed for mature skin, making it an excellent choice for those looking to target signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles while still keeping skin hydrated. Key features: the Gold Bond Age Renew Lotion is packed with a unique blend of ingredients that target multiple concerns. The formula includes retinol, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by increasing cell turnover. Additionally, the product contains a combination of moisturizers, including glycerin and petrolatum, which help to keep the skin hydrated and soft. The overnight formula allows your skin to absorb the product deeply, making it a perfect addition to your evening skincare routine. Benefits and usage: this lotion is perfect for older skin that needs hydration and anti-aging benefits. The inclusion of retinol helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and smooths out rough patches, while the moisturizing ingredients ensure your skin stays soft and nourished. To use, simply apply the lotion to your face and neck before bed. The product is gentle enough for regular use, but should be used with sunscreen during the day, as retinol can increase sensitivity to the sun. Usability: Gold Bond Age Renew Lotion is easy to incorporate into your nighttime skincare routine. Its rich, creamy texture glides on smoothly, and a little goes a long way. While it's formulated for overnight use, it doesn't feel greasy, allowing you to rest comfortably. The pump bottle makes it convenient to dispense the right amount, preventing wastage and ensuring you get the most out of the product. Durability: Gold Bond Age Renew Lotion is a durable product that works well over time. With consistent nightly use, you'll begin to see smoother skin with reduced wrinkles and a more even texture. Its moisturizing properties last through the night, providing your skin with essential nutrients that leave it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Over time, the combination of retinol and hydration will visibly improve the skin's overall appearance. Taking our 4th spot is Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is a luxury anti-aging product that targets the visible signs of aging. With a rich and creamy texture, this lotion is designed to deeply hydrate while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is formulated with a blend of peptides, vitamins, and antioxidants that work together to restore the skin's youthful glow and firmness, making it an excellent choice for older skin. Key features: this product features a blend of peptides that help to improve the skin's elasticity, while niacinamide, vitamin B3, boosts skin's hydration. The formula also contains antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which help protect the skin from environmental damage. Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is also known for its ability to deeply penetrate the skin, offering hydration and visible anti-aging effects. It's suitable for all skin types and comes in a luxurious, easily applied cream form. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of this product is its ability to address multiple signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. The peptides in the formula help to strengthen the skin structure, while the antioxidants provide protection from oxidative stress. For best results, apply Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream to cleanse skin, both in the morning and at night. Use gentle upward strokes to massage the cream into your skin for a smooth, sculpted appearance. Usability: the cream is rich but absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth without any greasy residue. The texture is velvety, making it a treat to apply and ensuring that older skin feels nourished immediately. It's perfect for daily use and can be worn under makeup or as part of your evening routine. The jar packaging is elegant but may not be as hygienic as pump dispensers, so make sure to use a clean spatula when scooping out the product. Durability: Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream offers excellent long-term results. With regular use, the skin becomes visibly firmer, with a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Its moisturizing properties also ensure that the skin remains hydrated throughout the day or night, which is essential for older skin that tends to dry out more easily. Over time, you'll notice a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture, tone, and elasticity. And finally, at number 5, we have La Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm AP+. La Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm AP+ is a highly effective body lotion designed to restore hydration and protect sensitive skin, especially for older individuals who struggle with dryness and irritation. This product is formulated with soothing ingredients like shea butter and niacinamide to provide deep moisture and relieve discomfort caused by dryness. Ideal for sensitive or irritated skin, this lotion helps restore the skin's natural barrier function and reduce the symptoms of dryness and itchiness. Key features: La Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm AP+ is enriched with shea butter, a powerful moisturizer that helps to restore hydration, and niacinamide, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This combination allows the balm to nourish the skin and restore its natural moisture balance. The lotion also contains glycerin, which helps lock in moisture, keeping the skin feeling soft and smooth. It is free from fragrances and parabens, making it ideal for sensitive, mature skin. Benefits and usage: this balm is perfect for older skin that tends to be dry, irritated, or prone to eczema. It offers immediate relief from dryness and improves the skin's texture and hydration over time. To use, apply liberally to cleansed skin, focusing on areas that need extra attention. It can be used on the face and body, providing relief and moisture to the skin wherever it's needed most. This balm can be used daily to promote long-lasting hydration. Usability: La Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm AP+ has a rich yet non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Older skin will appreciate its lightweight feel and the instant hydration it provides. The formula is gentle enough for sensitive skin and can be used frequently throughout the day. It comes in a convenient pump bottle, making it easy to apply the right amount without waste. Durability: the hydration provided by this balm lasts for hours, and it helps to maintain soft, smooth skin even after repeated hand washing or bathing. Its ability to lock in moisture and improve skin hydration makes it a reliable product for older skin. Over time, the product helps strengthen the skin's natural barrier, making it more resilient to dryness and irritation. Regular use will leave your skin feeling nourished and protected. And there you have it. These top 5 lotions for older skin offer a range of benefits, from intense hydration to anti-aging properties and skin barrier repair. Whether you're looking for something to tackle dryness, fine lines, or sensitive skin, these products will help you achieve healthier, smoother skin. Be sure to consider your specific skin needs and choose the lotion that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert product reviews.